Welcome back, friends. In this video I am going to show you how you can use the DGET function as an alternative to VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. After watching this tutorial, please write in the comment section below which formula approach you prefer in this type of data. First of all, let me explain what is in the data. Here in this sheet I have the employee data that has the employee ID, employee name, department, designation, joining date and salary. The requirement here is to extract the data here in these two tables, and from this source data I want only the ID, name, department and salary. Here also I need ID, name, department and salary. In the first table I'll use the VLOOKUP, and in the second table I'll use the DGET. First of all, let me use VLOOKUP here in the first table. Press equal to, type VLOOKUP, open bracket. In the lookup value, click on this ID because we want to look up based on this ID number. Then put a comma. In the table array, we have to take this source data. So click on the first cell of the data source. Then press Shift Control down arrow key. That goes till the last row that has the data. Then press the right arrow key by holding Shift and Control. Then it goes to the last cell of the data. Now press Ctrl plus backspace key to go back to the formula area, and here you see the data range is selected from A2 to F52. Now put a comma. In the column index number of VLOOKUP, we have to provide in which column our result is. We need here the name, department and salary. So we have to identify in which column of the data source the name, department and salary is. The name is in the second column, column 1, column 2. The department is in the third column and the salary is in the sixth column. So in the column index number, you can put all the column index numbers inside a curly bracket. So open here a curly bracket, put the first column index, that is column number 2 for name, put a comma. The second column index number is column number 3 for the department, put a comma, and the third index number is column number 6 for the salary. Now close the curly bracket, put a comma, and in this range lookup, choose exact match option by double clicking, close bracket. Now you can simply press enter key if you are using the latest version of Microsoft Excel, that is Excel 365. But if you are using the older Excel versions like Excel 2010, 2016, etc., then you have to press here Ctrl, Shift and enter. I am using the latest Excel version. I can simply press the enter key. Here you see the data is displayed here for employee ID of E015. The name is Anil Thapa, department is sales and salary is 47,000. If you change the ID here, for example E026, here you see the data automatically updates. Now we can do same thing by using the DGET function also. So here in this cell, let me use the DGET function. Press equal to, type DGET, open bracket. In the database, select this entire data, click on the first cell, press Ctrl Shift down, then right. That will select the data. Then press Ctrl plus backspace to go back to the formula. Now lock this range because in DGET we have to copy the formula for other cells. So to lock this part of the formula, you can simply press the F4 key in the keyboard that applies the dollar symbols. Then put a comma. In the field we have to put based on which column we want to extract the data, where you can put either the column name or the column index number. Like the index number is 2 for the name and the column name is this name. So you can simply click on this column header for this field parameter because we want to extract the data from this name column, and the name of the column is given here too. So you can click on this cell, but notice that the column name given here should be exactly same with the source data. Now put a comma and in the criteria we have to select this ID and ID number cell, that is from H7 to H8. Then lock this range also, because when we copy this formula, this range should be fixed, and to lock it, press the F4 key in the keyboard that applies the dollar symbols here. Now you can close the bracket, then press enter, and here you see the result is given. You can now use this fill handle to drag it to right, and here you see the data for employee ID 15 is given, that is Anil Thapa, sales and 47,000. If you change the ID number to E026, here you see the result automatically updates. So you can either use VLOOKUP or DGET to look up a particular item in the source data and generate the result based on the lookup value. If you want to practice this VLOOKUP and DGET, you can download this workbook file from the video description below, and also write in the comment which formula method you prefer most. So that was all about using the DGET function as an alternative to VLOOKUP in Excel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you very much for watching this video.